Alright, the Telugu Warriors have won the toss and have decided to field first like they did in the previous match that they played. And these are the teams that will be coming down the ground to fight it out for the final time and for the final win and final prize. Telugu Warriors versus the Kerala Strikers history, and we won't talk about the game that they have won. We will talk about the game that they should win in front of this roaring crowd at the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium. While customary hugs, wishing each other in good sportsmanship and giving them a crack of laughter perhaps. A crack of a game is something that they would definitely want to savor. And Raghu, the man who showed his destructive force in the first over in the preceding match, is back again. He's the ace of spade. He's the winning horse for the captain, and he's opening with the new ball. And that is what they're playing for. The shiny metal, this is what they're playing for. Of course, on the right hand side is the winner's trophy, and on the left is for the runners up.
So all to play for, all in readiness here for the big final. Good crowd as well has turned up at the Uppal here at the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium. It's a holiday crowd, it's Christmas as well, and we're all set for this final. All in readiness, all in excitement, waiting for the action to begin. A lot of support for both the sides. Going to be Alexander opening the innings, but just see that excitement. Just building on.
Alexander, well, he was handy with the ball as well. He looks more like a professor than a cricketer. And Raghu opening the bowling for the Telugu Warriors, and that is smashed on the offside and is intercepted. Well, they need to make an impact right from the beginning. The first 3 overs will entertain the power plays, and let us remind you that only 2 fielders are permitted on the boundary. So that means you have to make most. No dot deliveries. The Chennai Rhinos in the previous game gave away 4 overs as dot deliveries. But that is something that cannot be repeated by any of the teams, and this is the final for today, and very good fielding effort towards point. And this is the CCL 10 blast powered by Bharti Cement, and this is the final between Telugu Warriors and the Kerala Strikers. Exchanging notes, the batsman and the non-striker, and it is Raghu who perhaps will cause that first casualty, that first blow. You have to be careful.
Kerala striker has a good effort in the deep, but he's back for the second. Alexander. This is a very dangerous pair, Rajiv and Alexander. Did well yesterday. A lot of support from them, a lot of pretty faces as well.
Colourful support in the dugout of the Chennai team. And speaking about Sachin Joshi, could not do much with the bat. And this will be his turn to once again shine with the ball. But it is Raghu now who's looking for a breakthrough. Will he get it? Perhaps not.
आप बात कर रहे थे सचिन जोशी की, और लीजिए डायरेक्ट हिट आते ही अब दिलचस्प रहेगा क्या पहुंच गए थे, जिसका आप नाम ले रहे थे विनीत, वही एक्शन में नजर आए हैं।
अजय, मैंने इनकी जब भी तारीफ की है, इन्होंने या तो चौका छक्का मारा है या फिर विकेट ली है, या फिर एक विकेट टेकिंग कॉज में इनकी जो भूमिका है काफी महत्वपूर्ण रही है।
पर यहाँ पहुंच गए हैं, यहाँ पे बल्ला ड्रैग करते हुए, तो यहाँ पे नुकसान होगा नहीं केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के लिए, और वही हाथ हिलाते हुए निर्देश आया थर्ड एम्पायर से कि बैट्समैन अलेक्जेंडर सुरक्षित है, कोई हानि नहीं, कोई नुकसान नहीं।
रोचक मुकाबला, फाइनल ऑफ द सीसीएल, 7वां संस्करण है ये, और क्राउड की भूमिका को संस्करण है ये, और क्राउड की भूमिका को नजरअंदाज नहीं कर सकते। 5वां गेंद पहले ओवर का, और एंड स्ट्रक डाउन द ग्राउंड, विल गिव इट चेज and they'll only manage to get a single.
ये कार्य रघु ने किया था पिछले मुकाबले में, लगातार दबाव डाला था, लाइन अच्छी थी। अगर आप इस ओवर में देखें केवल 3 रन आए हैं, ये पहला ओवर है, पावर प्ले चल रहा है, 3 ओवर का पावर प्ले है, केवल 2 खिलाड़ी जो 30 गज का दायरा है उससे बाहर रह सकते हैं, पर कितनी बढ़िया किफायती गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं। The 2 lineups for this final, the playing 11s, of course, Telugu Warriors led by Akhil. They have a very formidable batting lineup. Kerala Strikers, they are a good bowling unit. Shafiq has done good well with the ball. Suresh as well. Manik